Hi, welcome to my channel pibyme Maths. This is by Jun Oct. In this video, we'll be looking at May-June 2020 Pure Math 2 paper. Let's look at question number 1. This is from binomial expansion. Find the first four terms of this binomial expansion. 2 minus x over 4 to the power 10. Binomial expansion is 2 power 10 plus 10c1 2 to the power 10 minus 1 second term. When you take the second term, take it with the negative sign. Plus 10c2 2 power 10 minus 2 and the second term power 2. Plus 10c3 2 power 10 minus 3 second term to the power 3. Now expand it. Simplify. 2 to the power 10 is 1024 plus 10c1. 2 power 9 will be half of 1024, which is 512 times x over 4. I'm going to put a minus as a common minus here. Plus 10c2. Put it in your calculator. 10 times 9 by 2 is going to be 45. 2 power 8 will be half of 512, 256. Times x square over 4 square becomes positive. 10c3 is 120 times 2 power 7 is half of this, which is 128 times x cube over 64, but put it as a common negative sign. Now simplify, you will get the expansion. So you will get 1024 minus 10 times 512 divided by 4. 1280x plus 45 times 256 divided by 60. 720x square minus 120 times 128 divided by 64 is 240x cubed. That's all. That's the expansion, first four terms of the expansion. Part B, hence find the constant term in this series. Okay, I'm going to expand this. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square times here. I'm going to write the expansion for this. I'm going to write the expansion from part A. 1024 minus 1280x plus 720x square minus 240x cubed. Okay, we want the constant term. So when you multiply this by this, you get a constant term, 9 times 1024. And when you multiply this by this, the x and x will be cancelled. You will get a constant term. So minus 6, 2 3s are 6 times minus 1280. When you multiply these two, the x square will be cancelled. You will get the constant term. So it's 9 times 1024, negative times negative, positive, 6 times 1280 plus 720. So the constant term is 17616 is the constant term. Question number 2. Complete the table below. Give your values of y to 3 decimal place. So when you replace x by 0 here, you're going to get, when you replace x by 0, y is going to be 2 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1 over square root of 0 plus 3, which is 1 over square root of 3. We want 3 decimal places, 0.577. When you replace x by 0.5, y is 2 to the power 0.5 divided by square root of 5 times 0.5 square plus 3. 2 to the power 0.5 divided by square root of 5 times 0.5 square plus 3. 0.686. Let's move on to part B. I have moved the table here, copied the table here. Use trapezium rule to find from the completed table to find the approximate value of this. The lower limit is this value, upper limit is this value. Okay. First you need to write h, otherwise you will lose a mark. H is the common difference, 0.25. And you will be given 1 mark for this. Now you write integral minus 0.25 to 0.75 2 to the power x divided by square root of 5x square plus 3 dx is, the trapezium rule is h over 2 times the first and last values of y, 0.462 plus 0.698 plus 2 times the sum of the rest of the values, 0.577, 0.653, 0.686. Okay, 0.25 over 2 times the first value, 0.462 plus 0.698 plus 2. I open the bracket again, so we open the bracket twice, so you need to close it twice. The sum of the rest of the y values, 0.577 plus 0.653 plus 0.686, close the bracket again, 78 over 125 or 0.624 is the answer. Question number 3. We have a function given, f of x is divided by x plus 4 and the remainder is this. If it's divided by x plus 4, if you replace x by minus 4 into the function, you should get this. So ax cube minus x square plus bx plus 4 is minus 108. This is going to be minus 64a minus 16 minus 4b plus 4 is minus 108. Minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12, goes to the other side, plus 12. So minus 108 plus 12 minus 96. So you have 64a minus 4b is equal to, minus 96. Divide throughout by negative 4. We'll get 16a plus b is 20 times 4 is 80, 16. So 24. That's all. It's a 2-mark question. Part B now. Given also that 2x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. If 2x minus 1 is a factor, if you equate it to 0, the x is 1 over 2. So in the function f of x, if you replace x by 1 over 2, the remainder will be 0. That's a fact theorem, right? Okay. So using this, we are going to frame one more equation. So ax cubed, okay, ax cubed minus x square plus bx plus 4 is Yes, is equal to 0. So that's a over 8 minus 1 over 4 plus b over 2 plus 4 is 0. Multiply through it by 8, you will get a minus 8 over 4. 8 over 2 is 4b, 8 4s are 32 is 0. You will get the second equation, a plus 4b is equal to minus 30. That's equation 2. You take this as equation 1 and solve the simultaneous equation. Okay, I'm going to write the equation 1 times 4 here. So it's going to be 16 times 4 is 64a plus 4b is equal to 24 times 4, 1896. Write the second equation as it is. A plus 4b is minus 30. Subtract them. B will be cancelled. 63a is 126. A is equal to 2. Sub in a back in here. And you need to show the working. So 2 plus 4b is minus 30. 4b is minus 32. So b is going to be 8 4s are 32 minus 8. I have put the part C here. Find f dash of x. Let's write f of x. F of x is ax cube. We know the value of a is 2. Minus x square. Plus bx plus 4. B is minus 8 plus 4. And then just differentiate it. Just a one more question. 6x square minus 2x. Minus 8. 4 becomes 0. That's all. One more question. Hence find the exact coordinates of the stationary points of the curve. You need to take the first derivative of f of x equated to 0. So 6x square minus 2x minus 8 is 0. Divide through it by 2. 3x square minus x minus 4 is 0. Go to quadratic. 3 minus 1 minus 4. 4 over 3 minus 1. 4 over 3 minus 1. You can write it as 3x minus 4 times x plus 1. Don't skip this step. They want the coordinates, not just the x coordinates. So you need to sub in these values into the function. So when you sub in x is minus 1, f of minus 1 is ax cube minus x square plus bx plus 4. That's basically 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Therefore, one stationary point is this. When you replace x by 4 over 3, f of 4 over 3 is, or you can write it as y is equal to 2 times 4 over 3 whole cube minus 4 over 3 whole square plus bx, but b is minus 8 plus 4. Let's calculate this carefully. 2 times 4 over 3 whole cube minus 4 over 3 whole square, which is 16 over 9, minus 8 4s are 32 over 3 plus 4 minus 100 over 27. That's another point. 4 over 3 comma minus 100 over 27. Question number 4. The points P and Q have coordinates respectively. Given that PQ is the diameter, find the coordinates of the center. The center will be the midpoint of the diameter, right? So use the midpoint formula. Minus 11 minus 3 over 2. 6 plus 12 over 2. So you're going to get minus 14 over 2, which is minus 7. 18 over 2 is 9. And then find the radius. Okay, let's say you have a circle and the radius is PQ. Sorry, the diameter is PQ. We got the center now. Minus 7, 9, right? The radius is, you can either find the distance between PQ divided by 2 or distance between center to Q or center to P. You will get the same answer. So I'm gonna find the distance between P to the center. So square root of P and the center. So y2 minus y1 the whole square plus x2 minus of minus 11 the whole square. 9 minus 6, 3 square is 9. So square root of 9 plus 4 square is 16, 25 is 5. So the radius is 5. Part B. Hence find the equation of the C. We have the center minus 7, 9. We have the radius. So we can write the equation x plus 7 the whole square, y minus 9 the whole square is equal to r square. That's all. Part C now. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point Q. We know the coordinates of point Q here. Minus 3, 12. Sorry, here. Minus 3, 12. Give your answer in the form this. Okay. So we have a circle. Okay. We need to find the equation of this tangent at this point Q of minus 3, 12, right? So we have a point that lies on the straight line. Now we just need the slope. So we can find the slope of the radius. Let's say radius center is here. Center is minus 7, 9. If we can find the slope of the radius, the tangent is perpendicular to radius, so we can take the negative reciprocal, right? So slope of radius is, use these 2 points to find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 3 over 4. Therefore, slope of the tangent is perpendicular to radius, so take the negative reciprocal. Now we have a slope, we have a point, we can find the equation in this format, right? So write the equation as y minus y1, this is x1, y1, is equal to slope times x minus of minus 3. So multiply throughout by 3, you will get 3y minus 36 is minus 4x minus 12. So put these terms here, 4x plus 3y minus 24 is 0. That's the equation of the tangent. Question number 5. Ben is saving for the deposit for a house over a period of 60 months. He saves $100 in the first month, £100. In the second month, he saves 5 more than the previous one. So 105, third month 110, etc. It forms an arithmetic sequence. Part A. Find the amount he saves in 40th month. A40 is A plus 39D. A is the first term. Common difference is 5. So 100 plus 39 times 5, 295. Part B. Find the total amount he saves over 60-month period. Okay, in the first month he saved 100 and 105, 110, etc., etc. Now 60 months is same as 60 terms here. They want us to find S60. The formula is n over 2 times 2a, the first term, 2a plus 60 minus 1 times the common difference. Just calculate this. 30 times 200 plus 59 times 5. You will get the answer. 200 plus 59 times 5 times 30. 14850 pound. That's the answer for part B. Let's move on to part C now. Lina is also saving for a deposit for a house. Lina saves 600 in the first month. Okay. In the subsequent month, she saves 10 less than the previous month. So 590, 580, etc. It forms an arithmetic sequence. After n months, so after n terms, she will have saved exactly this. So the total of this is 18,200. So they want us to frame an equation. So we know Sn is 18,200. So apply the formula. N over 2 times 2a, a is 600, plus n minus 1 times the common difference is 590 minus 600 is minus 10. This is equal to 18,200. So they want us to frame this equation. So bring the 2 to the other side. So n times 1200 plus, when you open the bracket, you will get minus 10n plus 10 is equal to 36,400. So open the bracket, minus 10n square plus 1210n. Put this term also, this side is 0. Divide through it by minus 2. So we will get 5n square minus 605n plus 18200 is 0. Solve this quadratic now. 5 minus 605, 18200, 65, 56, 56 n is equal to 65. We can divide through it by 5 also. So write it again here. Before we write the answer, you need to write the steps, otherwise you will lose mark actually. We can take the answer from the calculator, but you need to divide through it by 5 first. N square minus 605 over 5, 121n plus 3 5s of 15, 62, 32, 6 5s are 30, 20, 4 5s are 20. Now you can write n minus 56 times n minus 65 is equal to 0. You will get two positive values if it's a decreasing sequence. You see here the sequence is a decreasing sequence, right? So you will get the same amount in 56th month and 65th month also. So the first one is 56th month. So that's the answer. So the question says, they want us to frame the equation. They want us to frame the equation, that's all. So this is the answer. We don't need this. You don't need to solve it, just frame the equation. Oh, it's in here anyway. In the next part, solve the equation in part C. So we have n square minus 121n plus 3640 is 0, right? And we got the values. Okay, sorry. 1 minus 121, 3640. 56, 65. So n minus 56, n minus 65 is equal to 0. Part E, state with the reason which of the two solutions in part C is not a sensible value for n. N is equal to 65 is not a sensible value. Because in 56 months she saved the amount already. Okay, because she saved the money in 56 months already. So she doesn't have to continue saving the money till 65th month. That's all.